Magic lenses can be used to construct database queries. You are looking at an X Windows application that queries a database of census data for cities in the United States. Each city is represented as a square, positioned relative to its latitude and longitude. We can create a magic lens to help us find the eastern cities that have low crime rates. We position the lens over the East Coast. Cities that pass the filter are shown in red. The threshold value for the filter is defined by the slider at the top of the lens. These buttons control whether the filter selects values that are less than or greater than the threshold. Filters can be combined by overlapping them. We add a second lens that selects cities with a high average income and position it over the first lens. Where the two lenses overlap, their effects are combined to display cities that have both a low crime rate and a high average income. We can specify how the filters combine. Changing the composition mode from and to or changes the results to be cities that have either a low crime rate or a high average income. We can now combine these two lenses into a single compound lens. Lenses can provide other functions besides filtering. The call-out lens can be used to expand a cluster of cities into a labeled list. We can now see that Akron and Cleveland pass our high income plus low crime rate filter. Cities with missing data are displayed without boxes. The cities shown in red all have a crime rate greater than the indicated threshold. By asking for a numerical rather than a Boolean result, we can see how crime rates differ by varying the shading. To see this more clearly, we use a lens that magnifies the region under the small circle. The fuller the box, the higher the crime rate, so this city has the highest crime rate in this area. We can also use lenses to perform computations. For example, this lens sorts the values returned by the lens below. We can see that of the cities in Florida, Jacksonville has the lowest crime rate and Miami has the highest. Magic lenses can be used as elements of an artistic composition. In the Gargoyle graphics editor, we allow shapes to contain magic lens filters in place of a fill color. In this picture, the circle is a scaling lens. Lenses can be used to create special effects that would be hard to produce otherwise. This shape contains a lens that produces a glowing look to lines underneath. Each shape in this picture is a lens that dashes any lines that pass underneath it, resulting in a three-dimensional effect. The rectangle in this picture is a lens that reverses the display order of objects seen through it. With the lens border removed, the resulting picture appears to violate the restriction that each bar can appear on only one layer. Each circle is a subtractive color filter, allowing this picture to be made from only three shapes. The lenses in this picture can modify many of the appearance attributes of our graphical shapes, including stroke color, fill color, background color, and stroke width. This figure, drawn by staff artist Steve Walgren, contains many lenses that are used to produce the waves and ripples on the pond, the plaid shirt, and the shadows.